Okay, first of all, sorry for the shakiness. I have to use my phone to film the intro because it looks better and my GoPro's already strapped on, and yeah, that's about it. But we are here at Jenkins Lake. Dad is back there at his car getting things ready. I have this on my face because it is freezing cold. I don't know the water temp, I don't know anything. I know it's about 40 degrees right now, air temp, so it's been cold lately. It actually snowed yesterday and the day before, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be doing any good. This is also the lake that was flooded about a week ago. We went into a state of emergency because the water was going over the dam into the town, so it's very unpredictable right now whether we're gonna catch fish or not, but I'm out here fishing, so I can't really complain. I'm gonna go against popular belief and throw this spinnerbait. I know a lot of people think that when it gets too cold you can't throw a spinnerbait. I disagree, but the water's really stained because of the flooding, so I went with the white and chartreuse and the gold blades. This is a War Eagle. But I'm gonna throw this around, and you know, I brought my gear, so I got a couple more things to throw around, and hopefully we'll be able to get into some fish for you guys. So stick with me, stay tuned, and pray for me. There we go. Oh, yes. No. Chill out, bud. Oh, let's get down there and wash him off a bit. I almost lost him. Well, there you have it, guys. A freezing cold, pale largemouth. But I mean, that's a fish. I can't complain. Oh, there he is. Let's get him back in here. Thank you much, dude. There he goes. Yes. Oh man, I'm pumped. I know that was a little fish, but it was a fish. I literally never have any confidence here, especially right now where it's flooded, it's dirty, and it's freezing. And I'm also using a crankbait, which I have almost zero confidence in. Well, not anymore. Alex, Wrong Angling, told me that they've been hitting this for him, so I decided to give it a try. I'm glad I did. All right, no skunk. Let's try to get another one. What? Stick fishing. Oh, you're just dead sticking it? What do you got on there?
Jig, so I found something.
A jig? You just threw it out there and left it?
I left it and worked it back every now and then, leave it. Last time I picked it up, it was small.
Well, mine was small too. Change of scenery. We come to the dump. because we wasn't really getting anything else at Jenkins, so we figured we'd try here. Neither one of us have been here in months, so we don't know if it's gonna do any good, but the water is super high. It's probably like 4.5, 5 foot deeper than it usually is, so I don't know. Stay tuned. We're gonna try our best. Probably gonna start out with a little jerk bait. Wish me luck. All right, figured I'd switch over to the War Eagle. Awesome. My God, or whatever you want to call it. Came out for the 67th time. Okay. Try the spinnerbait again right here. There we go. Get in here. Easy, bud. Okay. It's a good call. It's a pretty fish. Let's get him back in there. Thank you. Look at how red down in there. See you, dude. Awesome. Alright, so that goes to show you guys, anybody who thinks that it won't work, the spinnerbait is not a bad choice for when the weather's cold. You just gotta slow roll it. And you also gotta think one of the best type of baits to throw this time of year is like an A-rig, and that's basically a huge spinnerbait with multiple spinners and trailers. It's not much different. I'm happy. So, as you can clearly see, I am not at a lake right now. I'm actually sitting in the bedroom, but I'm sorry that this video is kind of boring. We didn't really get into many fish. We caught 3 altogether. I caught 2, Dad caught 1. This was yesterday, mind you. Today we got up and we were planning on trying to make the video a little bit more interesting, so we went to Fish Pond, and he didn't have long to fish, so we had to go like super early, and unfortunately it was so cold this morning that every time we would cast, our guides would freeze over and we couldn't cast, so we had to stop and wait, and the sun wasn't coming out fast enough to warm it up enough for us to fish before he had to leave, so we didn't really get to do anything aside from fishing that we did yesterday. So I do apologize for that, but you know, I am happy that I actually got to go fishing. It's been quite some time, about a month maybe. It's been a little over 2 weeks since I posted a video, and about a month since I actually was able to go fishing, so it felt really cool to actually get out. So I'm thankful that we got onto some fish. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe. Help me out here. I'm almost at 500, which is not a lot to most people, but it's pretty cool. I never thought I would get past 50, so 500 is definitely a goal. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one, which is hopefully in a few days.